Before she found her real event, she was already a champion. In 2018, Emma Adamma Ngozi Chukwuka won Britain's national heptathlon title in javelin, high jump, long jump, all of it. A medal cabinet most athletes only dream of. Then, she walked away from the sports. She didn't want to be good at 7 things. She wanted to be the fastest at one. So, she packed her bags for America, grinding through the NCAA, first at Arkansas State, then Ohio State, rebuilding herself from the ground up. Since 2022, she has been racing hurdles only, no looking back. And now, she is one of the fastest hurdlers in UK history. 12.86 seconds, top 10 all-time, trading strides with world champions, carrying her Igbo roots with pride every step of the way. Her next stop, Los Angeles Olympics 2028. She gave up 7 medals for one shot at greatness. Please welcome our beautiful sister, Emma Adamma Ngozi Nwofo.
Yes, so my dad is from Nigeria. He's Igbo, so I have that culture inheritance. Unfortunately, I actually haven't been to Nigeria, but between my grandma, my aunties, uncles, cousins, we definitely embrace the culture.
What do you hear about Nigeria? What does your dad tell you about Nigeria?
That is all vibes, all community, everyone helps each other. And I think it's just a strong, what's the word I'm looking for? Like pride in being from Nigeria.
Can you speak Igbo?
So greetings, if someone says Kedu, you say Adamma. Unfortunately, that's as far as it goes.
So aside your surname Nwofo, do you have a Nigerian name?
Yes, so Adamma and Ngozi.
Adamma and Ngozi.
Yes.
Say something to Nigerians back home.
Oh, hi everybody. I hope you're well. I'm so glad that I have the blood of Nigerians in me because, you know, it's the Super Eagles who go all the time.
What's your favorite Nigerian music and food?
Oh my goodness, Egusi soup. I'm a Gary girl. I do like Gary. To be honest, I'm sorry, but my family, they're the best cooks. So I actually train in America, and Eddie, one of my training partners, we tried a couple Nigerian restaurants, but nothing compares to home cooked food.
What about music? Do you like Nigerian music?
Music, yeah. To be honest, let me think, who's my favorite artist? Obviously, you've got like the Burna Boy.